Hey guys, my name is Ania and I'm the Freelance Coach. I help people make more money online. How? Transferring expert knowledge in a simple way. Let's get started. Are you one of thousands of people who are wondering how to start freelancing, who are procrastinating because they don't know practical steps to undertake in order to finally start doing this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to undertake in order to start freelancing. Is it your situation? Hey, what's up? Well, I'm just tired of my work and I have so much potential that I want to use, and I want to be independent and I want to travel the world. Well, why don't you start freelancing, for example? Great idea. I will start today. All right, let's freelance today. I will start now. Password and freelancing. Number one thing that I always tell my clients and my students is that you need to know why you want to become a freelancer. Well, in general, you need to know why you do things, right? So having those whys that are really important and very much neglected and underestimated because people avoid this deep thinking, they are really important for us to motivate us, to inspire us throughout our freelance success journey. That's why I strongly encourage you to think about at least 10 reasons why you want to become a freelancer. And really, these reasons should be valid and should really support your values. Maybe you want to travel the world, maybe you want to be financially independent, maybe you want to have flexible jobs, maybe you want to work on your favorite schedule, maybe you want to have more time with your kids, with your family, with your friends. I don't know. Many things are really valuable, but if you want to do it just because you think that it is easy peasy to find clients and to become a millionaire in 1 week or celebrity on Instagram, then I strongly encourage you to stop this video and come back to look at those cute kitties on YouTube. Second thing you need to think through is your enter strategy. Enter strategy meaning how you're going to develop this freelance business. And I'm always telling my clients or my students to choose two ways. First is a soft entry and second is all in. So what's the difference? Soft entry is a situation where you still want to keep your maybe 9 to 5 office job or you have some other responsibilities. That's why you want to go very slowly into freelancing, but bearing in mind that the end of goal is that you are going to freelance full-time anyway, but it's going to be a little bit slower. But you know, from this beginning, you are going to know how much time you're going to accommodate to this plan and strategy for your freelancing business. And the second thing is to go all in. It doesn't mean that you need to quit your job today and start tomorrow freelancing, because it's going to be a little bit stressful in that case. This is what I did. I knew at some point in my life that I am going to freelance. So what I did is that I was working really hard. I had 2 jobs, normal job and extra job, in order to save some money when I will go all in into freelancing. I moved from London to south of Spain because I wanted to live in an amazing place, and I knew that I have at least 8 to 12 months savings that will support me during developing my freelance career. But this all-in is really good if you really know what you want to do in freelancing, and as well if you have savings. I'm wondering which option would be best for you, soft or all-in? Comment below. Third thing, very important, but maybe you didn't think about it, is just to make a decision, guys. If freelancing is on your mind and you are telling to yourself that I want to start freelancing, I don't know how to start freelancing, but maybe it's something that it's actually not for you. So if you look at your whys and if you look at the strategy to enter this freelancing, it isn't something that you really want to do at the moment, maybe just put aside this idea and do it some day in the end of the year. But if it's something that you think that, no, it's absolutely for me, I want to be financially, location and emotionally independent, this is absolutely something that I want to do, then make this decision. Just be excited about it, say hooray, and share with your friends, share with your family, share on your social media that, guys, I'm going to slowly go into this freelancing. It will really help you make this happen. It will be easier, you will be more motivated when you share this idea with other people. Homework time. No, I'm not going to leave you only with this video. I want you to do things after that. I want you to action things. So remember, write down 10 reasons why you want to become a freelancer and comment below if you want. I want to see what are your whys. Second of all, really comment or think it through what kind of entry strategy you're going to choose. Is it soft one? Is it all in? And the third of all, if you finally make a decision, guys, please share this with your friends and family and share it below that you are ready to start freelancing. Good luck. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the freshest content about successful freelancing. See you soon.